Your living room doesn't need to be big to look luxurious. In fact, some of the most expensive-looking spaces are actually small. They're just styled the right way. Today, we're going to reveal designer secrets that can make your small living room look 10 times more expensive without spending a fortune. It's not about buying more. It's about choosing better. Let's start with the first secret: decluttering. Luxury spaces are always clean, calm, and intentional. If your living room feels crowded, it instantly looks cheaper. Remove unnecessary items, and keep only what adds value to the space. Next is color. High-end interiors usually stick to a cohesive color palette. Neutral tones like beige, cream, white, taupe, and soft gray create a calm and elegant look. When everything blends beautifully, the room feels more expensive. Lighting is one of the biggest game changers. Cheap lighting makes a room look dull, while layered lighting creates depth and warmth. Use a mix of floor lamps, table lamps, and warm LED lights instead of relying on a single harsh light. Now let's talk about curtains. This is a simple trick designers always use. Hang your curtains higher than your windows. This makes your ceilings appear taller and your room feel bigger and more luxurious. Furniture placement is another key factor. In small spaces, pushing everything against the wall can actually make the room feel awkward. Instead, create a more intentional layout by slightly pulling furniture inward to create a cozy and balanced arrangement. Another secret is using fewer but better pieces. Instead of filling your room with lots of small items, choose a few statement pieces that stand out. Rugs can instantly elevate your space, but size matters. A rug that's too small can make your room look cheap. Always choose a rug that fits under your furniture to create a cohesive look. Textures are what make a space feel rich. Combine soft fabrics, wood, metal, and woven materials to create depth. Think of velvet cushions, linen curtains, and a wooden coffee table working together. Let's talk about cushions. Instead of random pillows, go for a curated look. Stick to a color palette and mix different textures to create a designer feel. Wall art is another important element. One large statement piece looks far more expensive than multiple small ones. Keep it simple and impactful. Mirrors are a powerful trick in small living rooms. They reflect light and make the space feel bigger and brighter. A well-placed mirror can completely transform your room. Now here's a luxury secret: symmetry. High-end interiors often use balanced arrangements. Matching lamps, paired decor items, or symmetrical layouts create a polished and expensive look. Another trick is adding metallic accents. Small touches of gold, brass, or chrome can instantly elevate your space without overwhelming it. Let's talk about lighting temperature. Warm lighting always feels more luxurious than cool white lighting. It creates a cozy and inviting atmosphere. Your coffee table styling matters more than you think. Instead of cluttering it, use a simple combination of books, a candle, and a decorative object. Plants can also make your space feel fresh and high-end. Even one or two well-placed plants can bring life into your living room. Another designer trick is using vertical space. Tall shelves, long curtains, or vertical decor elements draw the eye upward, making the room feel larger. Don't underestimate the power of scent. A fresh-smelling room feels more luxurious. Candles or diffusers can make a big difference. Now let's talk about materials. Even if you're on a budget, you can choose materials that look premium. Matte finishes, wood textures, and soft fabrics always look more expensive than shiny plastic surfaces. Minimalism is key. Luxury spaces are never overcrowded. Every item has a purpose. Another tip is to hide cables and clutter. Visible wires can instantly ruin the look of your room. Books and magazines can also be used as decor. Stack them neatly to create a sophisticated look. Lighting fixtures can act as statement pieces. A unique lamp or pendant light can elevate the entire room. Keep your color palette consistent across furniture, decor, and textiles. This creates harmony and makes your space feel professionally designed. If you want to go a step further, add one bold element. It could be a statement chair, a piece of art, or a unique table. Layering lighting is essential. Combine overhead lights with lamps and candles to create depth. Curtains should be light and flowy. Heavy or short curtains can make the space feel smaller. Use trays to organize small items on tables. This keeps everything looking neat and intentional. Another trick is to keep surfaces clean. Too many items on shelves or tables can make the room feel messy. Neutral doesn't mean boring. You can add interest through textures and subtle patterns. A well-placed throw blanket can make your sofa look more inviting and stylish. Your living room should feel balanced. Avoid placing all heavy furniture on one side. If your room is very small, consider multifunctional furniture. It saves space and keeps things organized. Remember, luxury is about how a space feels, not how much it costs. With the right choices, even the smallest living room can look elegant, stylish, and expensive. So take a look at your space, apply these simple designer secrets, and transform your living room into something truly beautiful. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe for more home decor tips and inspiration. We bring you simple ideas that make a big difference. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Rock it!